Hey, I'm Jalal.
And I'm Danny.
And welcome to another segment of Career Gates.
Today we're going to be checking out plastics.
Did you say plastics?
Yeah, let's go check it out. Barbie's plastic.
I had a dream that I ran away, then I started to fly. I woke up downstream, but I promised someday that I'd give it a try.
Plastics!
Plastics. Hi, I'm Bob Henry, and I love plastics. The work we do here makes its way into hospitals to help save people's lives. I'm proud of that. Hello, I'm Mike Goodymote. I'm a manufacturing engineer, and I love what I do for a living. My job is cool because every day is a change of pace.
We get into doing all kinds of different stuff, cutting steel, copper, graphite.
There's always new things, there's new technologies, new materials, new products.
It's always something new. There's always a new challenge.
It really takes a special kind of person to want to do this kind of work.
Hi, I'm Tammy Adams. I'm the Human Resources Manager at SIPCO. We're looking for people who are creative, like to work with their hands, who come up with new inventive ideas. They're motivated, willing to change, willing to do continuing education. And we require that they think outside the box. We started out doing only grinding, surface grinding, and now with the change in technology, we do precision machining, build plastic injection mold components, and do production machining.
What's cool about my job is working with all the new technology that's always coming out. It's always something new to learn and something new to work with. Program all the CNC machines in here, make all the electrodes in here for EDMs, a lot of cool stuff.
Hi, my name is Jason Bailey. I am a CNC programmer at SIPCO, and I love design and plastics. I'm making parts that we're going to actually run on the CNC machines out there. I make them on the computer, and then we run the programs out there, and when they're done, you have a finished part. This particular piece of steel is going to make this finished product, which is a plastic cover for something.
The future's endless. Everything's still being made of plastic.
You can't drive a car, you can't talk on a phone, you can't watch TV, use a computer, or any of those things at a tool maker somewhere and a mold built somewhere if it's got plastic. Hi, my name's John Bunce. I'm the operations manager of Multi-Tool, and I love plastics. Now, most of the work we do here is electronics and automotive industry work. This is an example of the type of work that is made here. This is an automotive type part. This is custom. It uses a lot of different technologies that were, quite frankly, much unavailable 10, 15 years ago. Wire EDM, which is electrified bandsaw. The type of people who are successful at Multi-Tool and the industry in general are people that like to build things, like to see things as they're built, see what the product is after the fact. The other big skill set is playing computer games. Most of all the work that we do with machines now are on computers, and it's the same skill set. It's basically playing the Xbox. That's how we design a mold. Our designers work in a computer system. It's easier to get the opportunity to get into this because of the computer door opening. It's not just working in a dark, dingy tool shop like it was done 25, 30 years ago before this new high-tech equipment come out. Most of these places are now lab work.
Yeah, everything has to be so precise and so perfect to get together. It's just it's a high stress, but it's a good stress. Keeps you on your toes.
Most of the work that we do in our business is plus or minus 2/10,000ths of an inch. A lot of the equipment that's built now can do this kind of work, but it still requires a good tool maker to understand the nuances of making the machines do that kind of work.
Just a great sense of accomplishment. If everything fits together well, you make good parts.
I love the challenge because you never know what plastic is going to do. Hi, I'm Kathleen Shardle, and I'm the quality manager at Multi-Plastics in Sagertown, Pennsylvania. And I love plastics. I applied for a job here part-time, being an operator out on the floor, running the machines and packaging the parts, and I just worked my way up from there.
Our goal is to be able to deliver what the customer is looking for. If we don't, somebody else will.
Hi, my name's Eric Ebner. I'm a project engineer at C&J Industries. My job is really cool.
Plastics.
One of the neater products that we've helped work on and we manufacture is the wheels and the fenders for the Segway mobile transport unit. C&J assisted Segway in the creation and the subsequent then manufacture of various components on the Segway unit. We were involved with the fenders, the wheels primarily, also the some of the front componentry. Plastics is cool.
And you get a lot of self-gratitude when you put a lot of effort into something and you see the end result. I definitely enjoy my work and I have a lot of fun doing it.
Hi, I'm Lynn Khalifi. I'm the manufacturing engineer here at Multi-Plastics, and I love plastics. Opportunities for women in the plastics industry are abound.
There are not enough women working in manufacturing. I see the need. I don't see any reason that women cannot do the work.
It is a very good business for women, younger people starting out, young girls, because they have the patience for it.
Students shouldn't be afraid to make applications for employment at factories. Factories are not dingy, dirty, mysterious places. Factories tend to do their own training. They tend to not necessarily always expect people to always be trained in advance.
Dealing with a vocational school, you can start that while you're in high school, get a couple years experience. You can branch out and actually get a job directly out of high school, and you already have a skilled trade.
People can start working here right out of high school. We do a lot of training on the job, and we complement that with classroom training at some local training facilities.
I originally went to college and I didn't like it so much, so I explored the rest of my options, went down to PMI, which is the Precision Manufacturing Institute, and they referred me here and I got a job here.
There are a lot of kids that go to college, come out and think that they know everything. They figure out real quick that it takes more than just classes to get the experience you need to work in this field.
We have training programs in this area that basically can give a kid right out of high school a job, learning a trade, and being paid to learn that trade while he's learning it. It's a big advantage over, in some respects, going to college, because now you don't have to pay the college loan thing.
It's a constantly growing and emerging industry.
Work ethic is the name of the game. The way to develop a good work ethic is to have responsibilities.
It's very rewarding, but it's also very demanding.
It just makes you feel good at the end of the day when you know you did a good job and you accomplished something and did something.
Work hard, that's the ticket.
Just pick what you like and apply yourself 100% to it. You'll be successful.
Find out what you're good at and stick with it.
Always do the best you can and go for what you want. Don't let anybody stop.
On my way.
If you want to find out about plastics and other cool jobs, visit nwpawib.org
Or dli.state.pa.us.
See you next time. PLASTICS Plastics.